Effective public relations strategies to help your small business. Part 1. Are you missing out on valuable opportunities because your small business can't afford a fancy PR firm? Organizations of any size can benefit from public relations, and there are many techniques that you can use on your own. In fact, you probably engage in PR as you go about your customer service and other daily tasks. Becoming more intentional could make you more successful in communicating strategically, building a positive reputation, and increasing your sales. While PR requires time and effort, the payoff is big because it's usually less expensive than paid advertising and regarded more favorably. See what it can do for your business. General principles for public relations for small businesses. Public relations is how you shape your image and build relationships between your business and the public. That usually includes customers, employers, and investors, as well as other audiences that matter to you. Keep these relationship-building strategies in mind. 1. Tell your story. Put a friendly human face on your business. Demonstrate what makes you special and unique. Forge an emotional connection by being sincere and authentic. Ask your loyal customers what they love about you. Your message will sound even more persuasive coming from them. 2. Stay informed. Keep up with what's going on in your field. Network with others, attend conferences, and read industry publications and local news. 3. Be helpful. PR is more successful when you concentrate on what you can do for others. Try to give customers and reporters what they need instead of thinking only about promoting your own interests. 4. Do your homework. Journalists and social media influencers receive mountains of pitches and requests. Show them that you respect their time. Research will help you to identify their needs and customize your approach. 5. Follow through. Lasting relationships depend on trust. Be prepared to deliver what you promise and ensure that you have data to support your claims. 6. Spot trends. You can learn from PR experts even if you don't have the budget to hire them. Pay attention to what other businesses are doing and adapt some of their initiatives to reach your own goals.